a little bit. Hey guys, the first step to assembling this chicken nesting box is to take this piece and set it on its back and orient it so these cutouts are facing this way. And then this piece is gonna fold up like that and that like that. And we're just gonna bolt it in right here and right here. I'm gonna use these fasteners right here, M1 and M2. I got those two pieces on, and to speed things up a little bit, I'm using the wrench for the nuts and then cordless for the bolts. I'm gonna do the same thing with these two pieces right here. Those ones are gonna go right in the middle there. All right, got these all assembled now. Now we're gonna take two of our piece 8s and they're gonna go on these end pieces right there. And each one of them is gonna get two of those. And they're gonna get installed like this with the lip facing up. See that hole right there and that hole there. Just like this. All right, there we go. Got that one installed. That right side, just like that. There's the one on the left side, the lip up. Okay, I've got one on this side, one on that side, and that side, and right there, and right there. The next ones are just gonna go opposite here, just right along here, and right along here, piece number 8s. Got those pieces on. Okay, now on the opposite side that we were just working, it's actually on the longer side. This piece here, 7, is gonna go in just like this, the flange facing up. Right in there. And use those M1 and M2 fasteners. Okay, now we have piece number 5 here. And it's gonna go on just like this. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna have to make a little modification. I've actually marked on there where I'm gonna cut. That is because this piece goes like that. And those are supposed to line up right there. But you can see how short it is on this side. So if you come up here like this, you can really see how short it is on that side. Now to get the end pieces up, end to end, right there, we're gonna have to cut that out a little bit because these pieces there don't line up right there. So I'm just gonna notch them out. All right, got that piece on. Here's a look at it from the other side. Just had to make a little modification, but everything lined up great after that. Next is to take these piece number 6s here. I'm gonna put them right in the front, right across there. This is the short side. And we're gonna continue to use our M1 and M2 fasteners. Okay, they go in just like this with the flange up. So go like that. I'm gonna put these caps on both ends of these. All right, I got caps on both ends of all these pieces. Got pieces 11 and 12, 2 of each. I'm gonna do this side right here, and then once I get those legs on, I'll flip it around, do the same to the other side. So the straight ones here go on the long section here. The curved ones go in the front. And we'll go ahead and slide these long screws in here. Okay, now I just put the nuts on the other side. Okay, got that one on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on here. All right, flipped it over. Do the same thing to this side. There it is with the legs on. You know, look at the front side here. Okay, now we take the baskets here. We just snap that right in there. Snap it right in there and push down. And there's what they look like. So it's got that little hinge right here. So you can flip it up like that, flip it down. And you just go right in there like that. So your chicken can be laying in there. You can come over here and flip that up, put it back down. And that's how you do it. Just gonna put a little bit of bedding in there, and then we'll be good to go.